Hi, I am Crypto AV. Today we will go over Honey DAO with an APY of more than 61 million%. This Olympus DAO fork is unique. We're in for a treat. In this video, I will cover what is Honey DAO, how to make money on this Olympus DAO fork, should you invest in this DAO? Before we get started, like, subscribe, and add the notification bell to not miss any new videos. Thank you so much for your support. Let's start with the documentation of Honey DAO. Honey DAO reinvented a technique used by the old central banks to peg its own love token with a basket of decentralized assets which is stored in the Honey DAO treasury. By having a basket of multiple assets, Honey DAO is able to give its love token an intrinsic value that it cannot fall below, and at the same time allow the love token to float above the value of the backed assets. A differentiating factor of Honey DAO as compared to others is that Honey DAO will introduce a secondary treasury that is backed by the profits of the Honey ecosystem, which includes Honey Play, Honey Poker, and others. Since we have been around and our established products have been generating revenue, we are not only able to back Honey DAO with assets received in the treasuries, but we are also able to ensure longevity with the constant growth of Honey's entire ecosystem. Honey DAO also introduces unique economic and game theoretic dynamics into the market through staking and bonding. The team behind Honey DAO is anonymous. Just a quick reminder that if they are anonymous, they could rug and not have any problem since they are unknown to the public. But my personal opinion is that the probability of a rug here is lower since they have multiple websites like Honey Finance and Honey Play. They would make much more money by staying legit than rugging in my point of view, but a rug could always be a possibility and it is still high risk. That's Honey Finance. The design and all are the same on all of the website. This is their yield optimizing platform. And that is Honey Play, the iGaming platform. Honey DAO is the first dual asset-backed DAO in the Binance Smart Chain. Now back on the website. On the good stuff, how you could make money on this DAO. First off, you could buy the token Love over here by going to the Love button. This will bring you the Pancake Swap and you can add the token to your wallet. Or you could just click on the Buy Now button. Now on the dashboard. The APY is almost 62 million%, which is insane, but we've seen better. The market cap is $4.9 million. This must be the total value locked and the treasury balance, but the actual market cap here doesn't make any sense. The actual market cap of the token Love is $100,000. The treasury balance is $2.8 million. The price of the token Love is $12. The backing per Love is much higher than the actual price, but this is normal. DAOs are taking huge hits these days. The total value locked is $4 million. They have huge numbers on here, but they've been here since more than a month, so they're already quite old. Let's go stake. On here, you can stake your Love tokens and get an ROI of 20% in 5 days. 20% ROI in 5 days is huge. It looks less risky than the 800% ROI we've seen on Ragnarok DAO. Once you bought your Love tokens, you just have to click Approve to stake. And here you can unstake. There's the flash sale section, which does not matter since it is sold out, but here's what it is. Flash sale is a special sale offered to our community with the purpose of growing the treasury of Honey DAO. All deposited assets from the flash sale will be added to the treasury. This attractive sale will allow bonders to receive their discounted Love over a vested period, 189,000 blocks or 7 days after the sale is concluded. Now let's explore the bond section. You can actually get good ROI on here, around 18 to 25%. So if you want to go through, just click Bond and approve. The vesting term is 5 days. And here you can redeem your rewards. Then there's the calculator. It's the same as the other Olympus DAO forks. You input how many tokens you want to invest and it will calculate your future returns. An initial investment of $12,630 would make me $377,000 in 30 days. This would be an amazing investment, but hey, don't trust those calculators, they sell you the dream. We'd only see Lambos in here. Comment below the car that you would like to see in a DAO calculator. Now let's take a look at the charts. It went well over $180 on launch day, and since then it crashed hard. It looks similar to the other forks. The price is down to $12. That's pretty much it for Honey DAO. In conclusion, I would not invest in this DAO. It's a high-risk play and it's not a professional DAO. But if you got money to lose, this would be a great place to play with your money in my opinion. Please do your own research before investing. Like, share, and subscribe to support the channel so we can get to 1,000 subscribers. This would be awesome and you will get a new video on crypto every single day. Click on the notification bell to not miss any new videos. And join me on Twitter at Colin0x for some crypto advice and gems. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next one.